Yeah, g'day. Rob here from New Zealand. Must be the first person here in New Zealand to own a Ninebot Max, and just thought I'd make this video of me unboxing it, and yeah, to treat myself to a new early Christmas present. It's now a matter of me tightening a few screws up and charging it up. Ready to ride. Can't wait. Downloaded the app, Segway Ninebot app, enabled Bluetooth, and turned this on and found it. Because if you don't download the app, it'll be real slow and it just won't run properly at all. So you've got to download the app to get it all running right. And it's connecting again. That's just updating the firmware for it. And we're getting there slowly. Rightio, first test ride, here we go. And it's to sort out the economy mode, which you've got to sort of put the app on, push this a few times and it goes out of economy into drive, and otherwise you get limited to 15k, so now it's currently 25, so here we go. Here we go. That's brilliantly.
Awesome.
So my conclusion, yeah, I love it. It goes brilliantly. Very well made. Highly recommend it to anyone that's just up. It's the latest in the Ninebot range, and it's just got like 60 kilometres of power apparently left in the how it's all set up. And yeah, very good. See you later.